कि कुछ लोग के इंटरव्यूज काफ़ी अच्छे हो सकते हैं, मे बी दे परफॉर्म वेल बाय देयर कम्युनिकेशन, मे बी दे परफॉर्म वेल देयर बाय देयर टेक्निकल स्किल्स. तो यू कैन लर्न फ्रॉम देयर कि व्हाट इज माय मिस्टेक्स. ऑल्सो व्हेन यू गॉट योर ओन टर्न, जब आपका खुद का मौका मिले आपको, देन यू लाइक एट दैट टाइम यू कैन ट्राई टू परफॉर्म एज मच एज पॉसिबल. जितना भी हो सके उतना अच्छे से परफॉर्म करने की कोशिश करो. And I'll request if possible, whenever I'll start your interview, at that time try to on your video so that I can see your expressions. Okay, not all times. When just start, suppose I just started, I'm just going to start with Ashish Singh's. So if Ashish started their screen, तो आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि ये होपलेस हो रहे हैं या फिर ये कॉन्फिडेंट है. व्हाट टाइप ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन इज ट्राइंग टू गिव, दैट आई कैन चेक. ओके, नाउ आशीष विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम यू ओनली. So on your mic and then we'll start. Okay, Ashish, on your video also, video camera also.
Hello.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, आशीष थोड़ा बैकग्राउंड से आवाज़ कुछ ज़्यादा आ रही है, तो
एक सेकंड.
हाँ, फैन बंद कर दो.
और ठीक है.
हाँ, अब नाउ दिस इज ओके. ठीक है, क्योंकि कैसे होगा कि ये रिकॉर्ड भी हो रहा है, तो इफ लाइक साउंड विल बी गुड, दैट विल बी गुड. ओके, आशीष,
Yes.
हाउ आर यू?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, introduce yourself, Ashish.
Okay, so as you know, my name is Ashish Singh, and I completed my civil engineering in 2020 from Mumbai University itself, and I live in Mumbai. And after completing the degree, I got selected from college placement, but due to Corona, I was withdrawn. The company withdrew all the freshers. So after that, I started preparing for competitive exams, and I qualified GATE also. But later, because of some problems, I was not able to take admission in MTech. So I started learning new skills like Autocad, like for structural engineering for BIM. So while learning structural engineering, I realized I'm more interested in BIM. So I started learning BIM. So here I am today.
Okay, that's great. So what is BIM?
BIM basically is a building information modeling where we work in 7 dimensions. 3
Okay.
dimensions are structure that we build, 3D modeling. 4th dimension is time management. 5th dimension is finance management, cost management. 6th dimension is sustainability management, where we manage energy. And 7th dimension is facility management.
Okay, can you give me the 3 advantage of BIM?
First advantage is we know how our project is going to look after completion. Second is we can actually know when our project,
Okay,
we can cut the cost. We can, like, the project is going to be completed in 10 crores, we can save 2-3 crores if we use BIM.
okay,
20 to 30% can be saved.
okay. Ashish, like what are the skills you have?
I know AutoCAD, I know StatPro, I know the Revit Architect, and in StatPro I know Stat Foundation and RCDC also.
Okay, you have a good like technical skills, as you said. What is the file format of StatPro?
STD.
STD or dot .std?
Yes, of course, .std.
Okay, not possible without .std. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, that's good. And Ashish, what's your hobbies?
I like playing chess and watching movies.
Watching movies. Last time, which movie you watched?
Bahubali.
Bahubali.
Well, like I have watched it much before, but I recently watched that film too.
Which one? Recently?
Recently also I watched Bahubali 2.
Okay,
Bahubali 2.
again, but I think it's like
Yes, yes.
this was before 2 years, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Who was the director of that movie?
Rajamouli.
Rajamouli. Okay. And if you want to summarize that whole Bahubali 2 in one line, so what you want to say?
I like the main character. The main character is fearless, and he lives up to his principles. That's what I like about him.
Excellent, excellent, very nice. Okay, Ashish, like as you mentioned here, like you have a good knowledge of AutoCAD. So,
Yes.
you know what is the use of layers in AutoCAD?
We can use layers to like we can make different aspects of the drawing using layers, And suppose if you want to edit some part of the drawing, then we can close other layers so it will be clear to us. And you can use we can use colors, different colors to represent different things in a drawing.
Excellent, excellent. Okay, Ashish, there is a static block and dynamic block in AutoCAD. So you know difference between static block and dynamic block?
No, sir, I don't know the difference.
Okay, you know blocks
No, sir.
in AutoCAD. You don't know block. Okay, great.
No, sir.
Uh, what is the shortcut key for dynamic input command?
So dynamic input command, there is a little. It is visible in the screen on the screen also. I don't
Yes.
know the shortcut key.
Okay, you don't know about that. Okay, what is the shortcut key for
So
mirror?
what I do is I just know the word and I put it in the keyboard. Like for dynamic key, I just put D and it shows all the options. So I just go there and select it.
Okay, but there are some commands, na? So, like if you know that, then you are you are not you like in your mind that is fixed. Okay, I just click this, I'll get the result of this. Suppose what is the shortcut key for mirror command?
M, no, M is for move. I don't know something.
That is MI.
Okay.
Okay, that's okay. So like in AutoCAD, you know AutoCAD. What is the difference between section and elevation?
Elevation is the how the structure will look if I look it from the front. Elevation is how it will look after I cut it from that particular section.
Elevation is for cut the particular
No. Elevation is how it will look if I look it from the front,
yeah.
and section is how it will look if I cut it from that particular section.
Which is the right path to cut the sections?
In section, staircase and bathroom must be involved.
Excellent, excellent. What is building by law?
Building by law is a rule which we use to build our towns. For with the help of that, we can make our town more safer, more useful, and more attractive.
Now, last question from you. That is, why should I hire you?
Actually, I have tried many things before I came to this field, so I know that my interest lies in this, and I can give my best because I know this field will add value to me, and
Oh,
I will grow in this field.
excellent. And what is your salary expectations?
20 plus.
Okay, that's great. Nice to meet you, Ashish. I'll
Thank
give
you,
you your
sir.
reply after this whole interview. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
that's great. Yeah. Now you can off your mic, please. Now next who want to come, and now there is a Dhaneshwar is there. Yeah, Dhaneshwar, on your mic, please. Dhaneshwar, on your
Hello,
mic.
good morning, sir.
Good morning. Is it possible to on your video?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's better for everyone. Yeah, that's great. Okay, you're ready for your office, I think. Right?
Yes, sir.
ओके दैट्स व्हाई आई एम आस्किंग और किसी को भी इंटरव्यू के लिए मतलब ऑफिस जाना रहेगा तो प्लीज़ कमेंट करके बता देना कि सर इसके बाद मेरा भी ऑफिस है सो दैट आई कैन टेक योर इंटरव्यू फर्स्ट देन आई टेक द लेटर और लोगों का और उसके बाद ओके धनेश्वर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ ब्रदर
Sir, I'm Dhaneshwar Bairale from Bhandarkumta, from Taluka Aura district Bidar. I have studied after 10 plus diploma in civil engineering. After that, I have done BE,
ओके कंटिन्यू
same in civil engineering.
ओके
And after BE, I have joined in field as a site engineer.
ओके
I have done I have done 3 years as a site engineer, junior engineer. After
ओके
that, I am trying to switch my
करियर्स
uh, career in BIM.
ओके सो यू हर्ड अबाउट फ्रॉम वेयर यू हर्ड अबाउट बीआईएम
Yes, sir.
कहाँ से आपने सुना बीआईएम लाइक लाइक व्हाट इज बीआईएम फ्रॉम वेयर यू गॉट दिस
From my friends, sir.
from your friends. Okay, what is the full form of BIM?
Building information modeling.
Building Information Modeling. Okay, and right now you're doing job like on site, right?
Yes, sir.
With which company?
Westcon Engineers Limited, sir.
Okay, why you want to left from site to BIM?
Sir, there is so much work. Means there is no time limit and very much hard work on site. So I like to do office job. So I am switching this
Okay,
BIM.
but in my office job also there is no fixed time. That is like will start from 9 o'clock, and sometimes it increase like 9 p.m., 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Are you comfortable for that?
Yes, sir, I am comfortable in office, but not on site.
Okay, that's great. Dhaneshwar, what skills you have?
Sir, I know Autocad, ETAPS, and right now I am studying BIM courses.
Okay,
Wait.
you know ETAPS also, right?
Yes,
Okay,
sir, but
what
I am
you forget about ETAPS? Right now you know
studying
AutoCAD.
ETAP.
Okay,
I have done on uh, on ETAP, sir. I have done project
okay. What is RERA, Dhaneshwar?
real estate and regulation development act.
Real Estate Regulation Development Act. What is the advantage of that?
By using RERA, uh, when customer can know the rating of a builders as well as their
Okay, no
means
issue. What's your hobby, Dhaneshwar?
I like to swim as well as wait in rain. That's my hobby.
Waiting 10 means running?
Sir.
Okay. How many kilometers you can run in one time?
I can run up to 2.5 kilometers at a one
2.5.
time.
This is your hobby?
Yes.
I can run 10 kilometers, yeah. Okay. Like,
I tried to in lockdown, sir.
okay. Before lockdown, I was in marathon, and I
Yes.
was used to with 3 kilometer, 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer racings. But that's great. But if this is your hobby, then minimum at least 10 kilometers you can run. That is the bit good for you. Okay, Dhaneshwar, why should I hire you?
What, sir?
Why should I hire you?
First of all, I am hardworking, sir. If
Okay,
I choose one way means I do completely that work, and
okay,
I will try to uh, growth.
okay. Are you willing to relocate?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because my companies work from sometimes in Hyderabad, sometimes in Bangalore. Are you okay for that?
Okay, I'm interested, sir. Anyway,
Okay, what's your salary expectations?
as per company norms, I'm fresher.
Okay, not fresher. You are not fresher. You have an experience of 3 years.
Yeah,
So
as site engineer.
okay, yeah, that you can mention that, na, ki I have experience inside that. Like, what's your current CTC?
3.75.
3.75. So you can say ki my current CTC is this. I have experience in this, and I have done my internship with BIM in Unix Civil. So definitely, you want more than that or equal than that at least.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so you can't like if you want to say as per industry norms, don't mention as a freshers. Okay,
Yes.
you are not fresher. Okay, Ashish, what's your weakness?
Hello,
What's your weakness?
sir. I don't like to speak lie. That's my weakness.
Okay, that is maybe that is your strength also. What's your strength? What's your strength?
Hard work. Hard work is my strength.
Hard work is your strength. Okay, right now what skills you are learning so that you can enhance your knowledge.
What, sir?
Right now what skills you are learning so that you can enhance your career. इस समय ऐसा क्या
Right
सीख
now,
रहे हो? इस समय ऐसा क्या सीख रहे हो जिससे तुम अपने स्किल्स को इंक्रीज कर सको?
मैं सर अभी बीम तो सीख रहा हूँ.
यस,
इसके साथ में
या बीम, डेफिनेटली बीम,
हाँ,
राइट? यू आर लर्निंग
हाँ,
बीम, तो यू कैन मेंशन कि राइट नाउ आई एम लर्निंग बीम्स. ओके,
yes,
व्हाट इज द शॉर्टकट की फॉर ऑर्थो कमांड इन ऑटोकैड?
F8, sir.
F8. Okay,
Yes.
and what is block in AutoCAD?
Blocks means we can use in uh, for
Okay, That means you know about dynamic block and static blocks.
No, sir.
Okay, you don't know about that. Okay, yeah. So there are some few types of circles in AutoCAD. Can you give the name of that types of circles?
Center radius. There are six type of circle. Center radius, center diameter, 2 point circle, 3 point circle, and 10 10 radius, 10 10 10 circle.
Okay, that's great. Nice to meet you, Dhanesh sir. We'll give you your reply soon. Okay, thank you so much for joining. Yeah. Okay, you can off your video if you want. Okay, now कोई और है जिसको ऑफिस जाना है? If anyone is there from they want to go for office, so they can first come. Otherwise, next like Arvaz, you can on your mic please. Arvaz Sheikh. Arvaz, on your mic.
Hello.
Is it possible to on your video please? Arvaz, is it possible to on your video?
Right now, sir,
Okay,
it's
no
not
issue.
possible for me.
Okay, no issue, no issue. I'm just asking. Okay, introduce yourself, Arvaz.
Yeah, my name is Abbas and I had done my graduation from Mumbai University
Okay,
in 2019.
okay,
And afterward, I prepared from GATE and various government exams.
okay,
Then, right now in 2022, I had cracked my GATE with a decent score. Then I like to pursue for my master's. Then due to some reason, I just dropped that year and I tried to enroll in various industry programs and various upskill my skills set and all. Then afterward, I look forward to do my MTech program after 1.5 year. Then because my GATE score is still valid, so I looked industry norms and also upskill my skill. And right now, I was working in a site engineer as a team role here, and it was situated in Bihar. Right now, I am staying at Bihar. So,
okay. You are from Bihar or from Mumbai?
I was from born in Bihar, but brought up in Mumbai itself. So,
Okay, so your native place is Bihar, right? So,
yeah,
okay. In which company you are working right now?
fossil infrastructure.
Fossil Infrastructures. Okay. Who's the competitor of that company?
So it was a mini Hussain infrastructure. Then it was a small firm, sir. So
Okay.
they collaborated with
They
various projects.
collaborated there. Okay. Okay, that's great. Arvaz, what's your hobbies?
I like sketching, sir, various animated characters, and I like swim, sir. Then uh, running also I like. I go gymming also, sir.
Okay. So that's your hobbies, right? Okay. Like, what are the technical skills you have right now?
In respect to software, sir.
Yeah, definitely.
Right now I'm learning BIM and Autocad and Primavera and all to
Okay.
pursue my upscaling and all.
Okay. In AutoCAD, there are some questions. First question is for you. That is, what is the use of overkill command?
Overkill.
Yeah.
I don't heard, sir, about
Okay.
that.
Okay. You heard about purge command?
Patch.
Purge.
Hatch command I heard.
You hatch command. Okay. There are a few types of hatch. Can you give the names?
Hatching we generally use for the filling of any material which we required. So it may be concrete,
Okay.
wall lining, then brickwork, various answers.
Okay. What is the use of purge? Sorry. On like in layers, there are freeze and on off keys, right? You know about that?
Yes, sir.
So what is the difference between
Yes, sir.
freeze and on off command?
So basically, when we use the layer command,
Hmm.
uh, different as a project manager, if you just draw a plan, then afterward, various phases which involves in the project. That means its MEP department has all its layout. Then all the layout is in same plan.
Correct.
So we have to distinguish that the MEP is different and execution part is different, foundation is different. So and door is different, windows is different. So based on requirement, we have to on and shut out, on and off. based on that requirement which is required. That's it, sir.
Okay. What unique skills you have?
Right now, I'm searching for various things which I'm capable of. So that's why I joined the site. So right now, I'm just looking forward to which field I just want to in my MTech career. So I thought that may be best for me to go for the execution part only, sir.
Okay. Why should I hire you, Arbaz?
Basically, sir, I had just done my 3 years in competitive exam. Then I used to do planning and also very rigorously way, and I was very sincere towards my job and looking forward to my upscale my journey also. So
Okay, that's great. Nice to meet you, Arbaz. Okay, I'll give you a reply
thank
soon.
you.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, that was nice meeting
You're
with
welcome.
you. Yeah. Okay. Now next is who wants to come? The next is done. Kuldeep Deshmukh. Kuldeep, on your mic, please. Kuldeep Deshmukh. Okay. If you have any doubt, any questions, you can comment below. Also, Kuldeep Deshmukh.
Yes, sir. Good
Okay.
morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you? How are you, Kuldeep?
Fine, sir. How are you?
Okay, I'm too much good. And is it possible to on your video?
Um, okay.
Not compulsory. Is it possible? Then, if you're comfortable, then only. Okay. Okay. Kuldeep, introduce yourself.
Uh, Hello, my name is Kuldeep Deshmukh.
Okay.
I have completed my diploma and graduation.
Okay. Okay. You pass out year, Kuldeep?
21.
21. Okay.
I was in
From which college?
uh, near YCC,
Wesley. Okay. What is the full form of Wesley?
Yeshwantrao Chavan College of Engineering.
Okay. Is it in Pune?
No, sir, Nagpur, Nagpur.
Nagpur. In Nagpur. Okay. Okay. In your final year, there are in final semester. What are the subjects in your college?
Uh, Finally, to discuss.
In final semester, there are some subjects, right? So, what are the subjects in that semesters?
Uh,
Getting my question? There are some subjects, no? Like when you just clear exams, at that time there are also some subjects.
yes, sir.
Okay, you forget about the subjects?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Kuldeep, what skills you have?
Uh, Sir, about civil engineering.
Yeah, about civil engineering, definitely.
Sir, AutoCAD,
Okay.
Excel, and I'm just joined the Beam class.
Okay. What is the file format of Excel?
Excel,
Yeah.
row and column.
Uh, Row and column. No. What is the file format? You know, you understand about file format? What is the file format of AutoCAD .dwg? Just like that. What is the file format of Excel?
Okay, okay. I don't know.
Okay, don't know about that. Yeah. So, Kuldeep, Excel is produced by which company?
Sir, Microsoft Office.
Microsoft. Yeah. So, Kuldeep, you know about AutoCAD, so definitely you know about layers. So, what is the use of layers?
Sir, layers used for um, taking different types of lines in drawing.
Okay. Kuldeep, why should I hire you?
Mm, sir, I'm hardworking.
Okay, that's why I should hire you. What's your salary expectations?
Sir, as I'm fresher, you can give me uh, near 15.
Near 15 means near to 15 like 1500.
No, sir, 15,000.
15,000 you not mention here na. You just said near to 15, so I can say near to 15, 15 rupees maybe, 1500,
Yeah, yeah,
15,000,
yeah.
15, it maybe 15 lakh. Okay, so Kuldeep, what's your strengths? What's your strength? Okay, you're not prepared for your interview, right? You're not prepared for interview, right, Kuldeep? Okay, what's your daily schedule?
Uh, Sir, billing work. I'm doing billing work uh, of one contractor.
Okay, right now you're doing billing works, right? राइट नाउ तुम्हारा थोड़ा कम्युनिकेशन का प्रॉब्लम है क्या, लाइक कम्युनिकेशन नहीं कर पाए, हिंदी में बताओ तुम क्या कर रहे हो अभी तुम एग्जैक्टली जॉब में.
सर, अभी मैं साइट पे था. अभी आज कल ही लास्ट डेट था.
ओके
तो अभी एक कॉन्ट्रैक्टर का बिलिंग वर्क कर रहा
ओके, तो बिलिंग वर्क करो. बिलिंग वर्क में कुछ किया अभी काम, या अभी किया कुछ नहीं अभी?
हूँ. अभी शुरू होने का.
अभी शुरू होने का है. साइट पर एग्जैक्टली तुम्हारी की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या थी?
साइट सुपरविजर
साइट
इन
सुपर.
हॉस्पिटल बिल्डिंग.
ओके
सुपर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल.
ओके, तो सुपरविजन में तुम्हारा क्या क्या की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज थी, क्या क्या तुम कवर करते थे उसमें?
सर, मैं कंसल्टेंट इंजीनियर की तरफ से था. तो जो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर था उनके तरफ से काम करवा लेना प्रॉपर वे में.
ओके, व्हाट वाज द प्रॉपर वे, क्या था प्रॉपर तरीका?
सर, वाइल कॉन्क्रीटिंग मिक्स डिजाइन, पेंटिंग के 2 कोट हो रहे कि नहीं हो रहे, ऐसा.
Okay, okay, nice to meet you, Kuldeep. There are few recommendation for you. First of all, increase your communication skills. Okay,
ओके
try
सर.
as much as possible. Try to improve yourself. Okay, there are need lots of improvements for you. Okay, I think you are not confident right now. I think you are not prepared also, right? Try to focus, and if you focus, definitely you will get the success. Okay, nice to meet you, Kuldeep. Okay, we'll meet next time, but I expect next time with good communication skills. Okay, yeah, okay, chalo. Next, Arvaz is done, and Abhishek, on your mic please, and video also, because some like if you on video, then I can get more experience with you. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah, that's nice. Abhishek, how are you?
I'm good, sir.
Okay. Just give me your little introductions.
So I am Abhishek Katre, and I have just completed my graduation in 2021. I have studied diploma also in civil engineering,
Okay.
and I have completed my post graduations from AFA Institute in construction project management. Right now, I'm learning BIM, that is Building Information Modeling, from Unique Skill.
Okay. What was your project in your project management?
Sir, it's not like I have completed any life project and all. It's a 4 or 5 months course in which I have learned about Excel, how to how to how to complete the how to matlab, open the uh,
Okay, no issue. Yeah, what was your project in Btech? B.
sir, we have completed a project What was that? It's a movable dividers, sir.
Sorry, movable
Movable dividers, yes.
Can you explain what is movable divide? Like I don't know about that.
Yes, sir. In moreover in traffic areas, it's a movable divider in which
Oh,
we can use to divert the traffic, sir.
okay, okay, got it. What traffic related to traffic? You done your
Yes, yes,
project.
yes,
Okay,
yes,
that's
sir.
great. Okay, and like how many members was there in your team in college?
We have 6 members, sir.
6 members. You completed your.
Yes,
Yeah, okay. There were some like machines also you use or just use the
yes.
PPTs. Yeah.
No, no, sir. We have done a small project on that.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, nice. Abhishek, what's your hobbies?
So I run. I used to play cricket at my free times and playing video games and all. And
Okay.
I yes, sir. I did.
Which video game you like most?
Sir, it's BGMI right now. I'm playing.
Okay, and like you mentioned your cricket, right? What is the length of cricket pitch?
So I don't know that. We just play gully cricket, sir, outside.
Okay, yeah, gully cricket, but that is your hobby.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so hobby is always up. Okay, if your
Yes.
hobby is something, that means you are excellent in that.
Excellent that. Yes, sir.
Okay, then only that is hobby. This is not your hobby.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sorry.
maybe your gaming is your hobby. I don't know
Uh,
much about gaming, so
I
I
can
can't.
say that I have one more hobby that is I know I used to ride, sir. I used
Sorry,
to go on rides. I used to
right,
go on rides, sir.
rides,
Riding, sir. Riding bikes.
bike rides. Okay,
Okay.
okay. What was your maximum speed in your bike riding?
Oh, sir. I have achieved 135
With safety or without any safety?
with safety, sir. With safety gears and all.
Okay.
We don't do that like normal squid riders, sir.
Okay,
We are not.
that's good. Because sometimes I'll just see like there are members who is taking the speed of 100, but they don't have any
No,
safety.
sir. We use all safety gears and ridings.
Oh,
Then only we'll do that.
which bike you like most?
Currently, that's BMW S1000R, sir.
A BMW S1000R. This new
Yes.
bike? Because I don't know
No, sir.
that one.
No, sir. It's 2019 launched. It's a new version launched. Yeah.
Okay, who's your favorite rider?
So my favorite riders is Valentino Rossi. We are 46. We call him. He is
Okay,
a yeah.
and any Indian rider?
No, no, sir. It's not an Indian. He's not an Indian rider.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. What technical skills you have, Abhishek?
So I have technical skills like I have learning AutoCAD right now.
Okay,
Uh, Learning AutoCAD and BIM of various softwares related to BIM,
okay,
and I know Excel.
okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. What is the file format of Excel? Same question with you.
.xlsx.
Okay. And what is the file format of AutoCAD?
.dwg.
.dwg. Okay. Who was the founder of the AutoCAD?
So it's his name is something George. So I don't know that.
Okay. Okay.
Sorry.
And oh, why should I hire you, Abhishek?
So it's not like I have the particular answer about that, but yes, I am hardworking and know to do the teamwork at I know how to do the work in team with teams. Yes,
Okay.
and
Okay.
I can work under pressure also, sir.
Work under pressure also. Where are you living right now?
So I'm living right now in my home at my native place, that is Nagpur.
Okay. You are living in Nagpur, right? Okay.
Yes,
Yeah. Okay. How much you rate yourself 10 out of in your technical skills?
4 or 5, sir.
4 or 5. Okay, that's good. Nice. Okay, Abhishek, nice to meet you. Okay, I'll give you a
Thank you,
reply
sir.
soon. Okay, thank you so much. Nice. Okay, now next is Manisha. Are you comfortable right now? If you're okay, then you on your mic and then you can start.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. If possible, on your mic, on your video. If not possible, not compulsory. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. Because you're not well right now, so that's why I'm not going to ask too much questions. Okay, Manisha, what different skills you have compared to others? There are few candidates in outside. Okay, what different skills you have?
Sorry, sir. Light was gone, so I couldn't hear you.
Okay, I'm going to repeat you. What right now you heard?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
I can hear you.
okay. Uh, like I said, what different skills you have?
Sir, I know AutoCAD. I know basic ETAB and STAD Pro, and I can use Microsoft Office Excel. And currently, I am learning BIM. So
Oh,
that's all.
okay. What is BIM?
So it's a building information modeling. BIM means building information modeling, in which we can with the help of BIM we can design a building before construction, and with the help of if there are errors, we can also find out and recorrect it. And
Okay. Manisha, why you choose BIM? There are different skills like you can make your career in structures or BIM, estimation, survey. Why you choose BIM?
Actually, sir, I have work experience in as a plumbing and firefighting designer, and currently I am doing my master's in structures. So uh, I was actually thinking to work as a structural engineer, but if I directly switch to structure, so my experience as a plumbing and FF design engineer will not be count. So BIM will be the safe path for me. That's why I decided to study the BIM.
Okay. What's your strength, Manisha?
Sir, sir, I'm a self-motivated, hardworking, and disciplined person, and I can work under pressure also.
Okay. And what's your weakness?
Sir, I overthink and sometimes I overeat. So those two are my weaknesses.
Overeat.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What's your hobby? Overeat?
Uh, no, sir. No.
Okay.
My hobbies are cooking, reading, and spending time with my family.
Okay. Last time which book you read?
Actually, currently I'm reading a book named Atomic Habit by James Clear. Um,
Okay. And which is your favorite book?
I would say Secret by Rhonda Byrne.
Robin Sharma? The
No, sir,
the
Rhonda Byrne.
okay,
Rhonda
Robin.
Byrne.
Okay.
Uh,
That you like most, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, okay. That means you like to read the books, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any five like key points if you want to summarize in Atomic Habits? Can you summarize in 5 points?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can.
This book gives us about idea about how we identify our bad habits and good habits. That is one point. Then in this book, the writer told us about how we can replace the habits. Uh, um, Cutting habits is not proper way, because after sometimes we will again start to do the same thing. So replacing them is the proper way. Then how to shape your habits, and how we can manage our good habits is the one key point in this book, which writer have told us.
Okay, that's great. Nice. And Manisha, like you know AutoCAD, so what is the shortcut key command for dynamic input command?
Dynamic input command.
Okay. Who's the
Actually,
founder? Who's the founder of AutoCAD?
sir, John Walker.
John Walker. Okay. In which year he invented AutoCAD?
Sir, he invented AutoCAD in 1982, and in 1988 it came into India.
Okay. What is RERA?
Sir, RERA is So RERA is a Real Estate Regulation and Development Act, which was uh, uh, passed in 2016.
2016. Okay, and it is passed in Rajya Sabha. In which date, you remember the date?
Yes, sir. Rajya Sabha, I think it's the 10th March 2016, and Lok Sabha 15th March 2016.
Okay. Uh, there are few rules, right? So what is escrow account in RERA?
Escrow account is account in which a builder have to open a separate account in a bank where he has have to deposit 70% of fund of total project, and if he wants to withdraw the money, then he'll have to show the bills and all important documents, so he cannot
Okay. What is FSI?
sir, FSI is a floor space index.
How to calculate?
Sir, its formula is total area covered divided by total plot area, total built up area divided by plot area.
Okay, that's nice, Manisha. And last question for you is, why should I hire you?
So, so because I need a platform to prove my skills and skills, knowledge, and talent, and I think your company will help me to grow in these areas.
Okay, nice to talk with you, Manisha. This was nice meetings. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you, sir.
joining. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Pragya, can you on your mic, please? Pragya.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Is it possible to on your video also?
Am I? I think in this circumstance I can't able to, sir.
Okay, no issue. Yeah. So yeah, introduce yourself, Pragya.
Good morning, all. My name is Pragya Gowda. I am from Bhubaneswar. Right now, I am working in Reason Group Co India Limited as a coordinating engineer. And I completed my Btech from Tagore Engineering College, Chennai in 2011. That's it, sir.
Okay. What's your native place?
Native place, it's Barampur. It's south side of Odisha.
Okay, and you done your bachelor's from Chennai and you are from Odisha, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right now in which city you are?
Right now I'm in Bhubaneswar.
In Bhubaneswar. Okay, I think that is the capital of Odisha, right?
Yeah, that's the capital of Odisha, sir.
What is the population of Bhubaneswar?
Population, maybe it's 12 lakhs to 15 lakhs, sir. I don't know that much, but I think presently I don't know.
Okay, 5 important place in Bhubaneswar.
5 is important. First, I will say Lingaraj Temple. It's a very old temple. It's nearby. It's like Jagannath Temple and Lingaraj Temple. At the same time, they built up. And second, I will say Janpat. It's like pause area, and also it's like in. And third, I will say.
Jagannath Puri is also in Bhubaneswar, no?
No, sir. It's 60 kilometers away from Bhubaneswar. It's called Puri. The place name is Puri, sir.
Okay, yeah, Puri.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay.
That was there is one speaker of that famous speaker, Sambit Patra is from Puri, right?
Yeah. He's from Bhubaneswar. Actually, he's not from Bhubaneswar. He's from just the district. It's called Brahmagiri. That particular area. He was born. That his native is Brahmagiri.
Okay, he's
it's
MLA from
nearby
there.
Puri.
He's MLA.
Yeah, he's MLA from here.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And who's your favorite leader?
Leader, I could say it's a very heartbreaking for me. I could say it's Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He is the legend. I could never say that person will be rebuilt up or again. We can say that kind of person again in our life. Like one person came, like he is like so precautious to India, like a gemstone.
Yes, correct. Also, he is my favorite leader. Okay.
Exactly, sir.
Who is your ideal person?
Ideal person, I could say my mom.
Okay.
Because she gave me encourage like in life every time to ups and down to how to face
Okay.
because I admire her a lot. And I see the woman, I the only person I see in my life, entire my life, so I could recommend her.
Okay, not is not maybe for all time, but yeah, that's nice. Your favorite person, your ideal person, your mom. That's excellent.
Yeah.
Okay, Pragya, what technical skills you have?
Technical set, I could say very less basics like very basics AutoCADs like few commands and all, and Excel and Word file I could manage.
Okay, don't be I don't know many things. Don't show like this. Try to show as much as possible. Means we can say I know
Yes,
auto. Definitely you have skills of AutoCAD, na? Right now
yes,
you
sir.
working anywhere or like you are just preparing for your beam. Right now
Sorry,
you
sir, I could.
right now you're preparing for beam or you're working with somewhere.
Yes, sir. I'm right now working in a company I told you, na, Breeze and Rosco India
Bridge.
Limited. It's a mini Ratna company, but I was a employee as a contractual over there, just to coordinate my senior managers and with contractors and all.
So exactly what's your profile?
My profile is a coordinate engineer, sir. So it's like it's a mini Ratna company. Here, like I have to represent behalf my DGM and AGM. Whatever their next work, I should do that. Like if any project going on, what is the deadline of the project, and if any project started. So whatever their commands, I have to coordinate with the contractors and subcontractors so that I could that project could run in a because they have multiple projects. So from that I have to handle few projects behalf of them. Like they are not able to, they are very I could say they're 50 plus, so they are not used to with systems and all.
Okay.
So whatever, so I have to coordinate
Very
with them.
hectic work then. It is very hectic work. Maybe.
It's yeah, it's a very hectic because morning 9:30 I reach office and till 7:30 I could not able to. My office timing is 9:30 to 6:30, but I have to walk there 8 till 8:30. Sometimes it's 9. Some of times it's like more than 10:30 also.
Oh,
So it's a very hectic, and I don't have any specific point to grow. Or specific particular area I have to work. I have a different work, different places I have to look after it. Like I have to look bill, I have to look drawings, I have to look coordinate with that work progress, daily report, weekly report, monthly report, overall project report. All these things I have to do.
okay. What's your current CTC?
My current CTC is 2.5, sir.
Okay. In very less package, they are providing you very hectic works.
Yes, because I could say after my pursuing my complete my Btech, I didn't work, and after I took a long gap, and in 2016 I started search jobs. So it's very difficult for me to get a job. But finally I get some jobs I get. I could not say like sales and like desk job, like office job kind of. But I could not able to get a civil kind of field job. It's very hard to get for me, but uh, like if I have a dedication, sure you will get something what you want. So like that I get, I could say. But I'm still unsatisfied, but I'm still in progress. I'm developing myself. I think I will achieve what I wanted.
Okay. You are very talkative.
uh, no, initially stage I was not talkative, but i I think it
As
is
per your
my.
work, due to
Yeah,
your
it's for to
works.
work. Yeah. I actually I work with some my manager. He's
Okay.
like my mentor. So he said it is your inner quality you never shown before that is reflected after you started working. So
Correct.
that is your very good strength that you can communicate anyone and you can convince anyone. That is a very good quality I have, and I appreciate that. And I realize after he told me that.
Okay. Yeah, that's correct. What's your weakness then?
Very weakness is like honesty, and it is my biggest weakness because I could give you example. When I was class 9th 10th, I was very weak in English. I could not, I don't know anything about English. I could not even spell a word like properly, and I
What is
hate
English?
that word. Yeah. So, and I get mark from 100 out of 10. It's like worse. My parents get so tense for that.
Okay.
So if I don't know anything that I could not pursue or could not do anything about, so I can't lie about it. So
Correct.
that is my weakness, and I'm very rigid person. Like if I have to do this work, then I have to do this. So whether it is like if it take 5 hours, 10 hours, it's not happening. Okay, I have to do this complete. That is, I could say my weakness.
Okay, not this rigidity is not a weakness if you take it this in positive manners. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So like you have technical skills like you mentioned AutoCAD, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In AutoCAD, there are some types of arrays. So what are the types of arrays in AutoCAD?
Path array, polar array, and one more. Uh, path array, polar array. I could not recall right now, sir.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yes, like path array and polar array as you mentioned, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the shortcut key for ortho command?
So F8.
F8. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what is built up area?
Built up area is that area where we built up the entire house. It's included the wall and the carpet area both.
Okay. And what is carpet area?
Carpet area, the particular area inside the built up area where there is no construction walls and lines available. It's like where we leave the entire inside the walls where we leave the space with called the carpet area.
Okay. And what's your hobby?
My hobby is swimming, cooking, and playing any games like outside games. I don't use to technology. I don't like even. I use like outside any games like
Are you introvert
badminton.
or extrovert?
It's dependent on situation.
Okay.
But I'm basically I say I'm an introvert person, but sometimes I act like an extrovert person also.
Okay. You act like extrovert, but you are introvert. As
Yes.
okay. Okay. What should I hire you?
I could say I can work in any circumstance, any difficult situation. That is my plus point. And I'm very hardworking and honest person. And I always wanted to develop my skill and I want to develop myself. So as well as if I work this place, I also wanted to that place to develop.
Okay. Company can also ask the questions ki why you completed your degree in 11 and why you started in 16. So you maybe they can ask. Okay. So try to
Yes,
make
sir.
your answers for that time. Also, you can mention
Okay.
ki why you choose what current job you have, like that is coordinator job. Why you choose coordinator job? Also, you can give them answers. Okay. I'm not going to ask. Okay.
Yes,
They
sir.
can ask.
I got it. I know, sir.
Okay. Nice to meet you, Pragya, and this was a nice meeting you. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, most welcome. Yeah. Next, who wants to come? Okay. Makran, on your mic, please.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Is it possible to on your video also?
Sure.
Okay. Video is just for your expressions, like when you give your answers, so I can just check your confidence. Okay. First of all, introduce yourself, Makran.
Sir, as you know, my name is Makaran and I am from Pune, Maharashtra. I am living in Alandi Matupachi, that is in outside of Pune. I have completed my diploma in Sohas Institute of Technology in 2016.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
And after that, diploma, like your diploma holder, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And after that, you started a job with.
Yes, sir.
So you're not mentioned in your introductions.
So, health is not so good, sir.
Okay. No, sir. Take your time. Okay. Makran, what technical skills you have? Are you comfortable right now, or you can take your time?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I know the BIM concept. I am expert in AutoCAD also, in Revit architecture, Revit structure, and Google SketchUp.
Okay.
I am currently working in the Reliance Industries.
Okay. are currently working with Reliance Industries and you are expert in AutoCAD, then as per your expectations, I want to ask some expectations questions. What is the use of data extraction commands?
No, sir. I didn't know it.
Okay. What is the use of purge command?
Sir, sorry, sir.
No, you mentioned you are expert. Okay. Confidence is good. More confidence is sometimes not good. Okay. Okay. What is the use of overkill command in AutoCAD?
No, sir. I
Okay.
don't.
Okay. Different between static block and dynamic blocks.
No, sir. I
Okay.
don't know.
Okay. And in layers there is freeze and on off. What is the difference between freeze and on off?
After the freeze command, we can move it. Uh, when uh, when the inside elements, after the freeze command we can move it, but after the off command we can't move it. Okay, it is the difference between freeze and move command.
Correct. And what is the difference between parametric and non-parametric family in Revit?
No, sir. I
Okay.
don't know it.
Okay. Uh, okay. What is the file? What are the file format of Revit?
RT, RT, RVT.
There are four types of file formats.
I know two types of formats, sir.
Okay. Okay. That your mistake was you just mentioned expert. So
Sorry for it, sir.
okay, no issue. Not bad. Okay. No sir, कोई बात नहीं. तो okay. What's your hobbies, Makaran?
My hobbies is swimming, traveling, and cooking.
Okay. Last time where you travel?
In Kille Rajgarh.
Kille Rajgarh. Okay. Why Kille Rajgarh is famous?
I like to do because of it is the Rajdhani of Swarajya in Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj
Correct.
time, that is 1630.
Correct. And you know what is the area of that Rajgarh? Because I also visit.
I know the area of Rajgarh. It is about 800 acres.
800 acres. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And your hobbies is cooking, right?
Yeah.
What you cook? Like what you like to cook most?
I'm all the types of cooking job is doing, like chapati also, biryani also, in veg, non-veg,
Okay.
and sweet items also.
You're totally cook.
Yes, sir.
Okay, part-time cook, you can say, mention. Okay.
Part-time cook.
Yeah. What was your project in your college?
It was the safety engineering.
Okay. What's your biggest achievements of your life in your career?
I don't think it is yeah, it achieve now.
Okay. What you want to do in your career after 5 years?
I wanted to see myself as a beam coordinator in repair.
Beam coordinator.
I wanted to beam coordinator.
Okay. Uh, what's your salary expectations?
Sir, I have no salary expectations because my current sorry, sir,
Oh, it's okay.
because my because my current package is 4.5 lakhs, and I know when I am switching from site to office, it should be lesser. It should be about 3.5, 3.2. I am acceptable it as per industry norms.
Okay, that's great. Take your time. I think you're not well, so this is sufficient for today. Okay, nice to meet you, Makran. And this was a nice meeting, and definitely you need to improve some technical skills. Otherwise, you're
Sure.
good in that. Okay. Okay. Great.
Have a great day, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much, and same to you. Okay. Next is one to come next. Makran is done. Sis is done. Kuldeep also done. Manisha done. Okay. Muhammad Abdul. Abdul,
Yes, sir.
how are
I'm
you?
audible.
Yes, you are.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm fine.
Okay. Abdul, introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. My name is Muhammad Abdul Mudassir. I
Okay.
have completed my Btech in Civil Engineering from ISN Engineering College.
Okay.
Right now, I am pursuing. Right now, I'm working with BIM. Currently, I have completed Autocad, and I'm willing to pursue more softwares in BIM.
Okay. And what is BIM?
BIM is building information modeling, where we can model a building from scratch to skyscrapers.
Scratch to scratch. And Mudashir, sorry, Abdul, like, what's your biggest achievements?
Currently, sir, I have completed my engineering, so there is no biggest achievement which I have completed yet. As I am a
This
fresher, I am willing
this
to
your
work.
achievements. This is your achievements.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can't say you don't have any achievements. You have achievements. This is your first achievements. Okay, continue. And
Yes, yes,
what's
I am willing to work with MNCs
okay?
till I have completed my BA.
You're looking for that, right? Are you
Yes,
working right now?
no, sir, I have just completed my
Okay.
graduation.
Okay, you pass out year 2021.
No, sir, 2022.
20.
I have not received my memo yet.
Okay, okay. Means you are just
Yesterday was my 8th sem result, sir.
yeah. I was congratulate you right on WhatsApp maybe. You
No,
just
sir,
what
that
was
was
that?
about SSC 2016, sir. So
Oh,
my friends are my friends, family members are putting status on
okay, okay.
WhatsApp. So I,
Okay, okay, that was that. I just saw that. I thought you just got the final result of your engineering. Okay, what's your hobbies, Abdul?
yes, I have many kind of hobbies. The main was horse riding and swimming.
Horse
I'd
riding.
like to do horse riding. Yes, in my leisure time, I would like to do horse riding, and
Okay.
sometimes I want to play games.
Sometimes you want to play game. Which game you like most?
Yeah, I like outdoor games, sir. Basically, cricket.
Okay. What was your project
Mm.
in college?
Yes, I have the RCC walls, a comparison of RCC structure with shear wall, and in the presence and absence of shear walls.
Okay. What was your subjects in your final semester?
So mainly, I have four subjects: principle of green buildings, and retrofitting, and startup entrepreneurship, and disaster mitigation and management.
What is green building?
So basically, in principles of green building, we design a building in efficient manner so we could not harm the environment.
Correct.
Basically, in industries, we can find different types of construction works. We when we harm the environment, so we design the buildings in efficient and prominent manner.
Okay. Uh, Abdul, why should I hire you?
So, as a fresher, I can be molded into any character. If you would like to hire me, you can hire me because I'm a fresher and can be molded in any shape and
Okay.
character
Okay.
which you would be.
No issue. Yeah, like Abdul, what's your weakness?
Yes, my weaknesses are when I used to work on particular work, I stick to it whether I don't know or I know much about it. I would stick to it and just just about
Okay.
this.
Okay, Abdul, this was nice meeting with you, and definitely I'll give you a reply as soon as possible. Okay? Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So now next is Satish. Satish, on your mic, please. Any possible on your
Good morning, sir.
good morning? Is it possible to on your video also?
No, sir.
Okay, no issue. It's okay. So okay, Satish, uh, introduce yourself.
Hi, sir. First of all, I would like to thanks for introducing myself, giving this opportunity. So, my name is Satish Eknath Suryanshi. I am from Karnataka. I passed out B in the year of 2018 from Bhimanakhande Institute of Technology. I have 3 years of experience on site. Now, I am currently working with Bandari Associate as a site engineer.
Okay, and why you want to come in BIM field? Because my company work with BIM. So why you want to come in BIM?
So, like in fieldwork, there is a technical and non-technical persons are there. Where technical persons are there, there are non-technical persons are there. So there is no combination between technical and non-technical persons like that. We are studying like an engineer, but we are doing like a supervisor job on site. There is no proper respect in view of engineering. So I want to change my career as a beam modeler or in a beam field.
Okay. Okay. What is BIM?
BIM is a software building information modeling which gives a complete structure before we construct. It gives all the plan sections, elevations that before you are going to construct. It will give a perspective view of that.
Okay. What is BBS?
BBS is a bar bending schedule, sir, which is usually used to calculate the amount of steel required for that particular project.
Okay. Uh, what is the use of extra bars when we use extra bars? Extra bar. We provide extra bars sometimes in beams, right? So why we provide extra bars in beam?
I think it will be help for bending of beam when beam is bending. When the load is come on beam, it will help for bending.
Okay. What is honeycomb?
Honeycomb means it is a pores in concrete. It will come due to non-vibrations. Means if you not done vibration properly, it will comes.
Okay. Minimum percentage of steel in column?
I think it is 2% of volume of concrete, sir.
For column, 2% steel is minimum. Then maximum? Okay.
I think it's
no issue. Okay, Satish. And Satish, what's your key responsibilities on site right now?
Sir, as currently I am working with as a site engineer. Just now I was started with new site. I have completed recently one project which are having 276 flats. All total completion of from starting to finishing. Now currently we are working with a new site. The responsibility is to in execution work. I have to handle whole site to do execution work, proper studying of drawings, and if there are any changes in drawing or any requirement, we have to consult with the consultant and the changes that have to make that will be make on site.
Okay, in your last project, what was the depth of footings? You remember?
Depth of footing will be, I think it's 1,200 mm. So.
Okay, that was isolated?
Or it may be 600, it may be 500.
That was
isolated? Yeah, it's isolated.
That was isolated?
Yeah, isolated, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When we use pile foundations?
When there is a black cotton soil and there is a maximum depth is required at that time, we use pile foundations.
And when we use rough foundation?
Rough foundation.
Okay, no issue.
Sorry.
Okay, no issue. Yeah, Satish, Satish, what is your strength?
Strength that I am dedicated, sir. I am hardworking. I am honest.
Okay. And who is your ideal person?
My dad is my ideal person, sir. He helped me a lot of from my birth to when I completed my engineering and till now, sir.
Okay. Who has encouraged you for your works, like you want to do more and you can do more? Who encouraged you in your life?
My mom, sir. My mom is always helped me. When I did mistakes, also he supposed to me, and he will increase my.
Okay, he is willing to, guide you. You can do some better things,
Yeah.
right? Okay, and which is your favorite place? Which is your favorite place?
What, sir?
Which is your favorite place where you want to go and which?
Siya
Yeah, sorry.
Siyagarh Killa, sir.
Siagarh Kila. Okay. So basically you're from Pune? Pune?
No, sir. I'm from Karnataka, but I'm Moshi, Pune, sir.
Okay. Right now you're living in Karnataka, right?
Yeah. No,
Okay.
sir. I'm right now living in Pune, sir. Moshi.
Mursi. Okay. Yeah.
I'm from Karnataka, sir.
Mulsi Dam, near to Mulsi Dam.
No, sir. Moshi. It's
Mursi.
near to
Okay.
Chakan, MIDC.
Chakan. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Satish, why should I hire you?
So since last 3 years, I'm working as a site engineer. I have a practical experience with me. I'm currently pursuing the course from Unix Civil. I have knowledge of Autocad, BIM also. I am dedication and passionate towards my work. So my experience will be helpful in our company to grow me and our company also.
Okay. Nice to meeting with Satish, and this was like a nice interview with you. Okay, right? Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay. Most welcome. Sohail Alam, on your mic, please. Sohail Alam, on your mic. Anyone else? Like सबका हो गया ना? Manisha and everything. Yeah.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, Sohail. How are you?
I'm good, sir.
Okay. Sohail Alam, introduce yourself.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. You're not well?
Yes, I'm sorry, I'm not well right now.
Okay. Are you okay for interview or not? If not possible, then no issue. If possible, you can continue.
I can try, sir.
Okay, no issue. You can try. Introduce yourself.
Hello, good morning. I'm Shrilala.
Okay.
I'm completing my engineering in civil engineering, and I would sorry.
Okay.
Right now, I'm doing job in civil engineering. I'm site engineer
Okay.
at Shyam Construction,
Okay.
Jabalpur. Shyam Construction is a basic company, merit-based company which is doing project in our city, Jabalpur. Smart city project he is doing. I'm with them. And
Okay. That's it about you.
right now, yes, sir.
Yeah. You want to continue? You can continue, please.
Right now, I'm join a course, BIM course,
Okay.
in which I'm studying.
Okay. You're from? What's your native place?
Sir, Jabalpur,
Okay.
MP, Madhya Pradesh.
Jabalpur. And you are working in Jabalpur only, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Are you willing to relocate?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sohail, what's your strength?
Sir, I'm hardworking
Okay.
and honest.
Okay. Difference between hard work and smart work.
What, sir? Sorry, sir.
Difference between hard work and smart work.
Sir, hardware is which we do hard only work and in specific, not specific direction. We just do work. Smart work, we calculate how much work required in a specific direction or path, and then we do this.
Okay. What's your hobby?
So, cooking and surfing internet.
Okay. Searching internet in on YouTube or
Surfing. And any platform, just videos and short videos like
okay. Which platform you like most? YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. Which platform you like most?
YouTube.
Okay. And in YouTube, which channel you like most?
In specific
No,
category
no, no,
or
no, no.
just
Any category.
uh, cute perfect?
You perfect. That is related to. I don't know about that.
Uh, some say they upload some trick videos and or
Okay. Youth. What you say again name?
cute perfect.
Butte perfect. Okay. Maybe I don't know about that. Okay, that's good. Okay. And who's your favorite motivational speaker?
Sandeep Maheshwari,
Sandeep Maheshwari. Okay. Uh, okay. Who is your ideal person, Sohail?
my father, sir.
Your father is your ideal person. Okay. And who is your favorite leader?
APJ Abdul Kalam.
APJ Abdul Kalam. That's nice. Okay. Like, which one is your favorite book?
Sorry, sir.
Which is your favorite book? Any book you
Sir,
like
I'm
most?
not read that much,
Okay.
but generally
Okay.
read some.
Okay. Okay. You don't like to read much. You like to watch much.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Why should I hire you, Alam?
Sorry, sir.
Why should I hire you?
Sir, I'm hardworking, honest, and I have good knowledge of. I'm getting good knowledge of BIM and what you're looking for. I think I have that much. And
What salary you want to earn after 5 years?
sorry, sir.
What salary? What salary you want to earn after 5 years? Suppose your salary is right now 5,000. After 5 years, what salary you want to see?
Around like
Around like. Okay. And which position you want to see yourself after 5 years?
sir.
Which position means which profile you like to work with? Like suppose you want to become a BIM manager or any else profile you like.
Uh, uh, After 5 years, I will be a. I want to be a manager or any responsible post.
Okay. What's your aim?
Right now, my aim is to get a job or divert my career to BIM or at that direction
Okay.
and stabilize my career at this point.
Okay, that's nice meeting with you, Alam. Uh, Now, next is anyone else is there?
Thank you.
Okay,
Have a nice day, sir.
okay, same to you. Thank you so much. Okay, one is there. Sarang is there. No, he is not there. सारंग आ रहा है उसके बाद जा रहा है आई थिंक ही इज़ अ फ्रेशर ठीक है कभी भी देखो चीज़ों से डरना नहीं चाहिए इंटरव्यू इज फिनिश राइट नाउ आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू गिव यू योर फीडबैक्स सो दैट कि आपको उस चीज़ में इम्प्रूवमेंट्स मिल सके और क्योंकि सबसे बड़ी चीज़ होती है फीडबैक्स सो फीडबैक्स में आप लोग अपने फीडबैक्स को देख सकते हो कि आपको एग्जैक्टली अभी कहाँ कहाँ पर वर्क करना है आप लोग खुद को सर्च कर सकते हो जैसे कि मैं अगर आशीष की बात करता हूँ सबसे पहले इनका इंटरव्यू हुआ आई डोंट नो ही इज़ या आशीष ही है तो आशीष ने काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्म किया इनका जो क्या बोलते हैं इनको 10 आउट ऑफ अगर रेटिंग दिया जाता है तो ये 6 स्कोर करेंगे एंड ही वाज वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट एंड धनेश्वर को अभी काफ़ी कम्युनिकेशन में काम करने की ज़रूरत है क्योंकि इनका कम्युनिकेशन थोड़ा सा वीक है ही इज़ नॉट थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंट कम थे और इनके चेहरे पर थोड़ी सी घबराहट थी तो दैट डेफिनेटली बार बार करने से आ जाएगा आपको प्रैक्टिस करने से एंड यू स्कोर 4 10 आउट ऑफ आपको 4 मार्क्स मिले हैं अरवाज का भी अच्छा इंटरव्यू था मतलब कि अच्छे से इन्होंने इंटरेक्ट किया बड़े कॉन्फिडेंट थे ये इनका अच्छा था बहुत ही और थोड़ा बहुत कंफ्यूज थे ये भी इनकी प्रोफाइल से रिलेटेड ये चेक कर रहे हैं कि इस प्रोफाइल में क्या है उस प्रोफाइल में क्या है बहुत ही क्लियर इंसान बनना पड़ता है अरवाज क्योंकि कंपनीज का क्लियरिटी बहुत पसंद करती है बाकी ओवरऑल आपका बहुत ही अच्छा कॉन्फिडेंस था सो यू गॉट 5 एंड कुलदीप आपको पता है कि आपका कम्युनिकेशन बहुत ही वीक है आपको थोड़ा सा अपने दोस्तों के साथ मिलना पड़ेगा और उन दोस्तों के साथ इंटरेक्ट करना पड़ेगा। जो भी आपके आसपास दोस्त होते होंगे, दोस्त होंगे, गर्लफ्रेंड बनाए होगे तो गर्लफ्रेंड बनाए होंगे, किसी से भी जिससे भी आप बात करते हो, ज़्यादा टाइम जिसके साथ स्पेंड करते हो, उससे बोलो कि यार मेरे लाइफ का सवाल है, मुझे थोड़ी देर कम्युनिकेशन करो इंग्लिश में। ठीक है, इससे क्या होगा कि आपको, क्योंकि देखो आप बीआईएम की इंडस्ट्री में अगर काम करना चाहते हो तो कम्युनिकेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है। तो इसलिए आपको 2 मार्क्स मिले हैं। आपके पास नॉलेज तो था, आप एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पा रहे थे उस नॉलेज को। ठीक है, और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट जो आया था अभिषेक का आया था। अभिषेक का भी काफ़ी अच्छा इंटरव्यू था अभिषेक का, और ये भी काफ़ी कॉन्फिडेंट थे, लेकिन अभी इनके कुछ टेक्निकल स्किल्स में वर्क करने की नीड थी, तो इनको 4 मार्क्स मिले हैं टोटल। एंड मनीषा का काफ़ी अच्छा इंटरव्यू था एंड इन्होंने काफ़ी अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया, सी गॉट 6 मार्क्स। एंड लाइक प्रज्ञा का बहुत ही अच्छा था, इन्होंने भी काफ़ी अच्छे से अपने लाइक टॉपिक्स को एक्सप्लेन किया, सो सी गॉट 7 मार्क्स। एंड उसके बाद मकरन का भी काफ़ी अच्छे से कॉन्फिडेंट ही थे, और कुछ हद तक कई जगहों पे वर्क करने की ज़रूरत है, जैसे कि सॉफ्टवेयर में कुछ नॉलेज और ऐड करने की ज़रूरत है। इन्होंने 5 मार्क्स गेट किए। और मुदस्सिर का भी अच्छा था, इन्होंने भी कॉन्फिडेंट थे एज अ फ्रेशर, इन्होंने अच्छे से परफॉर्म किया, ही ऑल्सो गॉट 5 मार्क्स। सतीश गॉट 5 मार्क्स, सतीश का भी अच्छा था, ये भी काफ़ी क्लियर है, और नो डाउट ये अगर साउथ से है तो थोड़ी सी कम्युनिकेशन भी अच्छी थी, तो ही गॉट 5। सेम आलम इज गॉट 5। 5 इज़ लाइक कि आप अभी इंटरव्यू के लिए एलिजिबल हो। इफ़ यू लेस देन 5 दैट मीन कि अभी आपको वर्क करने की ज़रूरत है। सिलेक्शन के लिए 6+, या फिर अगर 6 भी है तो सिलेक्शन होने का चांस है। ठीक है, ये हमारा स्कोर होता है। अगर 6+ आप आते हो तो आप किसी भी कंपनी में जाते हो तो डेफिनेटली परफॉर्म करोगे। अब आप कमेंट करके बताइए या फिर माइक ऑन करके बताइए कि इससे कुछ बेनिफिट मिला आपको।
हेलो
यस, हाँ आशीष बोलो।
सर, इम्प्रूव करने की कहाँ जगह, क्या इम्प्रूव करना चाहिए मुझे?
ओके, हाँ बहुत अच्छा। देखो इसने बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा कि मुझे कहाँ इम्प्रूव करना चाहिए। तो आशीष को उससे तो काफ़ी अच्छा इनका कम्युनिकेशन था। इनको क्या बोलते हैं, थोड़ा सा वर्क जो करना पड़ेगा वो वर्क करना पड़ेगा इनके टेक्निकल स्किल्स पे। ठीक है, टेक्निकल स्किल्स में सॉफ्टवेयर में, जैसे कि उन्होंने बोला कि शॉर्टकट की मैं चेक कर लेता हूँ, तो चेक नहीं करना है, कॉन्फिडेंट होके बस यही शॉर्टकट की होना चाहिए, इस पर आपको वर्क करना चाहिए। थोड़ा सा ऐसे कि जब भी कभी आप आंसर करो तो थोड़ा चेहरे को और कॉन्फिडेंट बना के आंसर करो, ऐसा कि आप बहुत ही ज़्यादा लाइक उस चीज़ से बहुत घुले मिले हो। जैसे कि अपने घर में चाय बनती है तो हम लोग, जैसे मैं कभी कभी चाय बनाता हूँ तो मैं सोचता हूँ चाय पत्ती कितना डाल दूँ, कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं रहता है, ऐसा लगता है कभी ज़्यादा हो गई तो, चीनी ज़्यादा हो गई तो कैसे कि एक, जैसे मम्मी लोग क्या करते हैं, फटाफट चाय पत्ती लिया और डाल दिया, वो सोचती नहीं है कि चाय पत्ती कम है कि ज़्यादा, क्योंकि दे आर कॉन्फिडेंट विद दैट। ये चीज़ को नीट करोगे तो आशीष और अच्छा होगा। ठीक है, बाकी ओवरऑल तुम्हारा अच्छा इंटरव्यू था। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट और किसी को कुछ सीखने को मिला तो कमेंट करके बताओ कि यस सर मैंने 1 घंटे लगाए, मुझे ये सीखने को मिला यहाँ पे। आप बता सकते हो, आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम आई हो, आप अपना फीडबैक और जानना चाहते हो कि और मैं क्या इम्प्रूव करूँ, तो आप पूछ सकते हो। ठीक है, ओवरऑल हम इसको 15 दिन बाद फिर से करेंगे और फिर देखेंगे कि आपका इम्प्रूवमेंट कहाँ गया हुआ है। तो डेफिनेटली आपका ये सेशन भी आपके सामने ही रहेगा, रिकॉर्डिंग रहेगी इसकी। आप अपने आप को कंपेयर करना कि यार मैं पहले कैसे बात करता था, पहले मैं कैसे इंटरव्यू देता था, आज मैं कैसे देता हूँ, कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट आया है क्या। डेफिनेटली अभी मैं आपसे ज़्यादा टेक्निकल चीज़ें नहीं पूछ रहा था, रीज़न ये था कि अभी केवल हमारे ट्रेनिंग के 10 दिन हुए। ठीक है, तो डेफिनेटली अगर हम 10 दिन में बहुत ज़्यादा, अभी हमने जितना कवर किया है उससे ही पूछेंगे। कुछ लोग जो साइट वगैरह पर वर्क किए थे उनसे ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन पूछा गया, जैसे सतीश से मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन पूछा क्योंकि ये साइट पर वर्क किए थे, तो यहाँ पर थोड़े से ये साइट पे जितना वर्क किए थे उसके हिसाब से थोड़े से ये कम नॉलेज इनके पास था, लेकिन कम्युनिकेशन इनका अच्छा था, इसकी वजह से बैलेंस कर ले जा रहे थे। तो देखो यार, अगर हर चीज़ में थोड़े थोड़े अच्छे रहोगे तो आप बैलेंस कर ले जाओगे। कई लोग ऐसे था कि आंसर को मिस कर रहे थे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। कभी भी 80% अटेंडेंस, जो भी मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूं उसका 80% अगर आप बताते हो दैट मीन्स कि आप परफेक्ट कंपेयर में हो, क्योंकि डेफिनेटली हर कोई 100% नहीं बता सकता है। ठीक है, तो 80% आपको कोशिश करना चाहिए कि आंसर आपको देना चाहिए। किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन है, कुछ डाउट है, पूछना चाहो तो पूछ लो। आपका इंटरव्यू फिनिश हो चुका है। मज़ा आया, आपको कुछ सीखने को मिला, कॉन्फिडेंस कुछ मिला? हाँ जी, यस मनीषा।
सर मुझे कौन से एरिया पे वर्क करना चाहिए मुझे
ओके,
तो बताइए।
ठीक है। मनीषा का वैसे तो कम्युनिकेशन काफ़ी अच्छा था, इन्होंने हॉबी से रिलेटेड बहुत अच्छे से वर्क करके रखा है अपने, ये इनका अच्छा था। और कुछ जगहों पे हमने थोड़ी सी मिस्टेक किया, जैसे कि आपने बोला कि मैं डायरेक्ट स्ट्रक्चर्स में स्विच नहीं करना चाहती हूँ, मैं जाना चाहती हूँ कैसे कि बीम से स्ट्रक्चर्स में जाना चाहती हूँ। डेफिनेटली आप जाना चाहती हो, बट ये एरिया आपको शो नहीं करना है, गॉट इट। तो यहाँ पर अगर ऐसे आप शो करोगे तो भी सामने वाले को लगेगा अच्छा इसका एम तो स्ट्रक्चर्स है, ये BIM जस्ट मेरी कंपनी को यूज करना चाहती है अपने एम को पहुँचने के लिए, ठीक है। डोंट ट्राई टू शो देम। और दूसरी चीज़ आपको क्या करना है कि आपने प्लम्बिंग में वर्क किया है, लेकिन उनको ये नहीं बोलना है कि हमने सिर्फ प्लम्बिंग किया है, ठीक है। ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन मोर थिंग्स, जैसे कि आप उनको ये भी बता सकते हो कि हमने प्लम्बिंग किया हुआ है, प्लानिंग किया हुआ है, क्योंकि डेफिनेटली जो प्लम्बिंग कर रहा है प्लानिंग बहुत बड़ी चीज़ नहीं है, ठीक है। हमने प्लानिंग किया हुआ है, आप ऐसे एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो उसको। और आज से कुछ दिन के बाद जब आप रैबिट सीख लोगे तो आप यही आपको बोलने की ज़रूरत है कि मैंने प्लम्बिंग किया हुआ है, डेफिनेटली मैं MEP पे वर्क करते थे, बट समटाइम्स आई यूज टू विथ 3D मॉडलिंग, समटाइम आई यूज टू विथ प्लानिंग्स ऑल्सो। अगर वहाँ पे कोई मिस्टेक्स थी तो मैं उसको प्लानिंग को करेक्ट करती थी। तो कुल मिला के अपने को ऐसा एक्सप्लेन करना है कि मैं बीम के हर इंडस्ट्री में थोड़ा थोड़ा वर्क की थी, ठीक है। इस पे वर्क कर लो।
यस सर।
और दूसरी चीज़ क्या बोलते हैं, डेफिनेटली जितना टेक्निकल स्ट्रॉन्ग करोगे उतना ओवरऑल तुम्हारा अच्छा इंटरव्यू था, ठीक है।
यस सर, थैंक यू सर।
ओके, मोस्ट वेलकम। किसी और को कुछ पूछना है या कुछ बताना है?
तो सर मेरे को क्या इम्प्लीमेंट करने की जरूरत है?
सतीश, अगर तुमने साइट पर काम किया है तो कुछ चीज़ों को एकदम क्लियर रखना पड़ेगा, जैसे कि जैसे तुमने राउट फाउंडेशन में तुम फंस गए थे, ठीक है। उसके बाद तुम यहाँ पर हाँ थोड़ा सा डाउट खा गए तुम कि वो कौन सा फीट और इंचेस का कोई क्वेश्चन मैंने पूछा था, वहाँ पे भी तुम थोड़े से कंफ्यूज थे कि क्या बोलते हैं, कोई क्वेश्चन ने पूछा था मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा अभी, तो उसमें तुम कंफ्यूज थे। तो मतलब जो भी अगर तुमने साइट पर काम किया है तो उसकी की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज फिक्स होनी चाहिए कि मैंने ये चीज़ कर रखा है, क्लियर है, ठीक है। और उसके बाद बाकी तुम्हारा कम्युनिकेशन अच्छा था, ठीक है, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। ओके
ओके सर।
ओके
सर मुझे क्या इम्प्रूव करना पड़ेगा?
हाँ धनेश्वर, तुम्हें कॉन्फिडेंस इंक्रीज करना पड़ेगा और कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स तुम्हारी वीक है,
ओके सर।
तो तुमको दोस्ती करना चाहिए जिसकी थोड़ी सी कम्युनिकेशन अच्छी है,
ओके सर।
ठीक है। तो गर्लफ्रेंड है कि नहीं?
ओके सर।
गर्लफ्रेंड
ऐसे
है कि
मेरे
नहीं?
बहुत दोस्त हैं।
अरे मैंने बोला गर्लफ्रेंड है कि नहीं?
हेलो।
मैंने बोला गर्लफ्रेंड है कि नहीं?
नहीं सर, गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं,
ओके,
ओनली बॉयफ्रेंड।
बॉयफ्रेंड है। तो बॉयफ्रेंड जो अच्छे हैं उनको बोलो यार थोड़ा मेरा हेल्प करो, तुमको पार्टी दूंगा, ठीक है।
नहीं सर, सब बॉयफ्रेंड है ना,
हाँ
मराठी में बात करते ना,
हाँ
वो
वो
प्रॉब्लम
तो
है।
पता है मुझे, लेकिन उनको बोलो ना मैं पार्टी दूंगा, ठीक है। और ऐसा उनको लालच देके अपना काम करना पड़ेगा।
उनको ही कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है सर,
अच्छा, उनको भी
खुद कुछ
कॉन्फिडेंस।
कॉन्फिडेंस।
ओके ओके, चलो मैं तुमको मैसेज करना, एक ग्रुप में तुमको भेजूंगा, उस ग्रुप में तुम कम्युनिकेशन कर सकते हो एक दूसरे से,
ओके
ठीक है।
ओके,
चलो,
थैंक यू सर।
ओके। और सर हाउ कैन आई इम्प्रूव माई कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, ठीक है। हमारा एक ग्रुप है कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स का, अगर आपको ज्वाइन करना है तो आप लोग भी कर सकते हैं। उस ग्रुप में मीटिंग्स आपको खुद से क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा, मैं क्योंकि इतना मेरा टाइम आपको पता है एकदम पैक होता है, तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, खुद से आप अपने से दोस्ती बढ़ा सकते हैं एक दूसरे से। जैसे कि धनेश्वर ने अब्दुल से बात कर लिया, अब्दुल ने सोहेल से बात कर लिया, सोहेल ने आशीष से बात कर लिया कि चलो हम लोग टॉक करते हैं, ठीक है, एक दूसरे से। तो उस ग्रुप में आप लिंक शेयर कर सकते हो कि इफ़ एनीवन इंटरेस्टेड टू टॉक इन इंग्लिश, तो वो लोग वहाँ पर आके जुड़ जाते हैं और आप एक दूसरे से, क्योंकि एक ही सोल्यूशन है, एक ही सोल्यूशन है और कुछ नहीं है। ऑटोकैड आप देखो कि पहले दिन आप ड्राइंग कैसे बनाते थे, आज 10वें दिन कैसे बनाते हो, डिफरेंस है ना। तो ये डिफरेंस हमेशा ऐसे ही होगा, जितना बनाते जाओगे जितना प्रैक्टिस करते जाओ होता जाएगा। और जब गलत बोलते हो तो मैं हमेशा क्या बोलता हूँ, मैं कई लोगों को ड्राइंग के लिए क्या बोलता था, ड्राइंग आप बनाओ गलत बनाओ। मैंने क्या बोलता था, ड्राइंग आप बनाओ गलत बनाओ। क्यों? क्योंकि मुझे पता है गलत बनाते 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 सही आप बनाने लगोगे, ठीक है जी। तो इसलिए आपको मैं ग्रुप में ज्वाइन कर दूंगा, जिसको भी ज्वाइन होना है मैं लिंक शेयर कर दूंगा ग्रुप में, जिसको ज्वाइन होना होगा हो जाइएगा, ठीक है। वहाँ पर आप उसको पॉजिटिव वे में लीजिएगा, निगेटिव वे में डेफिनेटली मत लीजिएगा, नहीं तो नुकसान होगा। और उससे आप इन कम्युनिकेशन को स्ट्रॉन्ग कर सकते हैं। चलिए, होप आप लोग को मेरा इनिशिएटिव अच्छा लगा होगा और आपको भी कुछ लर्निंग मिला होगा। आप लोग जाइए अपना दिन एंजॉय करिए, और साथ ही साथ आपको प्लान नंबर 2 और प्लान नंबर 3 मिलेगा, आपको व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में मिलेगा। प्लान 1 आप लोग कर चुके हो, प्लान 2 प्लान 3 सैटरडे संडे में बस ये दोनों करना है। अभी लेक्चर्स को वॉच करने की नीड नहीं है, क्योंकि उनको बनाने के लिए आप पर्याप्त सीख चुके हो, ठीक है। बाकी मंडे को मिलेंगे, फिर उसके आगे के लेक्चर्स कंटिन्यू करेंगे। क्लियर? कोई डाउट? किसी कुछ डाउट, देखो यार यहाँ पर ना एकदम आराम से आप पूछा करो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। यहाँ पर हम लोग आए ही इसीलिए हैं कि ट्राई टू लर्न मोर 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 मोर, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सीख सकें।
हेलो सर।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, बोलो।
सर अब मेरा इंजीनियरिंग हो गया ना सर।
हाँ, हो गया।
मतलब मतलब नेक्स्ट मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? बिल्डिंग इंफॉर्मेशन मॉडलिंग तो मैं मतलब कोर्स कर रहा हूँ ये।
करेक्ट।
नेक्स्ट मतलब अब्रॉड स्टडीज के लिए मतलब क्या बेटर रहेगा सर?
ओके, देखो पहले तो अब्रॉड, अभी अब्रॉड का प्लान मत करो, बट 2 साल का कम से कम एक्सपीरियंस उठाओ, ठीक है। तो बीम में ऐसा कुछ बचना नहीं चाहिए जो तुम्हें ना आता हो, पहला ये चीज़ होना चाहिए। बीम में ऐसा कुछ नहीं बचना चाहिए जो तुम्हें ना आता हो। 2D का पूरा मतलब कि उसमें एलओडी होती है, आगे पढ़ाऊंगा अभी आगे, तो अभी तो स्टार्ट किया है। बस ये मैं बोलूँगा कि जितना मैं सिखाऊंगा, अगर तुमने इतना सीख लिया, अब्रॉड में तुम जाओगे जॉबलेस नहीं रहोगे, इसकी गारंटी दे रहा हूँ, ठीक है। जितना मैं सिखाऊंगा ये सफिशियंट होगा, बस इतना करते जाना, ठीक है। इसमें ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि सर आज मैंने टास्क नहीं किया, कल मैंने टास्क नहीं किया। कुछ लोग ऐसे रहते हैं ना कि आज मैंने ये नहीं किया, कल मैंने नहीं किया। नहीं, करना है तो करना है, ठीक है। जो काम बोर होता है, लेकिन जो काम ऐसा होता है कि जो काम बोर फील कराता है, वो काम हमेशा अच्छा होता है। सुबह सुबह 5 किलोमीटर की रनिंग बहुत बोर करेगी अगर आप डेली करोगे तो, लेकिन जब इसी रनिंग को आप डेली 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 करते आते हो तो आप फिटनेस के साथ फिट हो जाते हो। जिम डेली जाते हो बोर होता है, लेकिन जो डेली जिम जाता है डेफिनेटली वो कितना हेल्दी रहता है, आप सबको इस चीज़ के बारे में पता है। ऐसे जो डेली प्रैक्टिस करता है बोर है, पर जितने दिन करते जाओगे, जितना दिन करते जाओगे उतना ज़्यादा परफेक्शन आता चला जाएगा। तो जो काम बोरिंग होता है हमेशा वो सबसे ज़्यादा सक्सेस देता है, इसको याद रखना। चलो इसी मोटिवेशन के साथ मिलते हैं कल मतलब इन द सेंस मंडे को। आपको प्लान 2 प्लान 3 व्हाट्सएप पर आ जाएगा, बनाइएगा। एक साथ सारा प्लान क्या बोलते हैं, मतलब तीनों प्लान देखे जाएंगे आपके मंडे के दिन, ठीक है। चलो सबको बाय बाय एंड एंजॉय करिए अपना वीकेंड्स। ओके।